Well, howdy doody, I'm back. And I made it. This is going to be 2 weeks in a row I put up a video. Woohoo! On a roll. Okay, today, as I told you in my last video, we are going to make, where is it? Here it is. We're not going to necessarily make them. I'm going to show you how to make different versions of Soleless sandals, also called Barefoot Sandals. So, the thing is, I watch a lot of YouTube, I have to admit, and I hate to watch a video that goes on and on and on, doesn't get to the point. So, I don't like to sit there, y'all don't want to watch me put the beads on and sew every stitch. You just want to know how to do it. So, that's what I'm going to show you. A couple different versions, some ideas. You can always ask questions in the comments. You can email me. I'm always happy to help. I'm addicted to crafting, so I don't mind helping. So here we go. These are just some of the ones I've made. Now I'm going to start off with the simplest, least expensive. These are made with this stretch. They call it stretch lace. It's stretch elastic from the dollar store. Comes in all these cool different colors: blue, pink, purple, white. So it's good for party hats if you make your own party hats, which I used to do. In my party store, I sell a lot of party supplies. I don't do the party hats anymore. But that these were made with that. Wooden beads. All these wooden beads are from the dollar store, from Dollar Tree, matter of fact. So these long ones. And then the acrylic beads are from the dollar store, and these I think are from Walmart, the big beads. So I'm not going to put it on my foot. I actually ordered a foot model because I'm going to sell some of these online, and I don't want to show my foot all the time. Like right now, I need a pedicure or something fierce. So I cut out this little thing for temporary to show you. Okay, so this is a simple, easy, because the beads are big, so it's really quick to make. If you make them to sell, you can make this toe part longer, because if they have a longer foot, it'll just go up further. You know what I mean? After they hook it around their toe, if they have a bigger foot than you, I wear a 7.5, so I usually measure. Most of mine are made for my foot, obviously, but I make this where all they gotta do, it's elastic. So they put it up here. Say their foot goes all the way to here. Well, this is just gonna go up further, or they can make the beads go down there and have only elastic in the back, which I prefer it with only elastic in the back, because those beads stick into the back of your heel and it's not very comfortable. Here, there's nothing to dig into your toes, but back here the beads will dig in. Anyway, so there's one. Those are the quickest and easiest to make, because the beads are big, the holes are big, la la la. Okay, next one. These are not very expensive because they're made with seed beads, and seed beads are cheap. You can get them. In fact, I think they have them at the Dollar Tree. I'm not certain on that. And then all you need is a charm or a large bead, like one of these beads. And again, if you watch my channel, you know I love the beach, so everything's always about the beach. So I like the sand dollars. And I also liked them because they already had these holes in them, so it made it perfect and easy to thread through there. So again, I used this stretch elastic, seed beads, and the little sand dollars. Quick and easy. And you'll see the beads don't go all the way to the back. Yeah, they had room. And then when you stretch it out, of course, there's a lot of room in the back. I don't like them to dig into the back of my heel. I love to wear these things. They're adorable. I like to walk the beach. I do it quite often with my dog. Jeffrey, who the channel's named after. So when Jeffrey and I walk, I like to wear these. A lot of times people ask me, where did you get those? I get orders for them because people want them, and so, you know, I work out deals with them on the beach. And they're not digging in the back of my heel. These I made personally for myself. These, now I can't remember how much this stuff was, or the colored elastic, or I would have said these were the cheapest and the easiest, because it's been about a year ago that I bought this, so I don't remember how much it was. It was either eBay or Amazon. And y'all, everybody shops on Amazon, but I tell you, I get better deals on eBay. I often get the same thing for a better deal on eBay. So, I got this in a lot of different colors. And I really need to get tackling on it. Look at these. Yellow daisies, pink daisies, brown daisies, hot pink, and these beautiful multicolored, because me, I like the color. So, let me show you how easy these are to do. I also got the elastic from either Amazon or eBay. You just have to search for colored elastic. If I ever can figure out how to get a Ziploc open. If I ever get my link figured out where I can send y'all links, I'll do that, where you can just click the link to go and buy this stuff. But anyway, all these beautiful colors of elastic, and all these beautiful colors of the stretchy string. So it's this kind of stretchy string, and in colors. So since this had a lot of white, I went ahead and did it in the white, but I could have used the yellow. It would have been cute for the part around the toe. But look how easy this is. They come in a line, so you cut off 5. And the reason being is because you need to have an odd number to connect the other one to. So you cut off 5 there, you cut off 4 here, or try it on your foot. If you wear a bigger size, you could make it bigger, put 5 there if you want to. But also, this is long, so if someone has a bigger foot, it's going to fit. And if they have a smaller foot, they can just tie an extra knot or 2 in it. So I will sell these as a one size fits most, because the elastic in the back. So all you do, slip your foot in, put that around your toe, and there's your sandals. Here you are on the beach. You're ready to go. So you take a few stitches here, a few stitches here, a few stitches here. You make this into a loop and then stitch the knot, and you're done. It doesn't get much simpler, and I think these are adorable. Now don't do the same mistake I did. I bought these big rolls of this Velcro sticky dots, and they said it was super sticky, yada yada. It is, it's super sticky, but not for these. It doesn't work on material that well, because as soon as you went to stretch it to put your foot in, they popped loose, and then you'd have to constantly put it back. So I just took it off. So that was a waste of money. I'm good at wasting money. Anyway, so you have all these different colors, so you can like I said, you could have used the yellow string on those. These with all the colors, you could use, you know, the turquoise or the red or the green, yellow, purple, anything. You could use this elastic that you got from the Dollar Tree. So that's those. Now, these, I live on the beach. I go to the beach almost every day. And I collect shells all the time, but these are not shells from the beach. Because to make them this beautiful and clean, you got to get out the CLR and scrub them up and blah, blah, blah. too much hassle when you can buy a big bucket of these, or at least when I bought these, it was a big bucket for I think $6 at Walmart. Imagine how many Soleless sandals I can make with that. So it's seed beads, seashells. Oh, I forgot to mention this on the very first pair. That has these wooden beads from Walmart, from Dollar Tree. The long beads are wooden. These down here are wooden. Not the white ones, but all these in between. Well, you need to let people know if you make them and sell them that they have wood and they won't be good for in the water. These that are painted, I'm sure if they get them wet several times, that paint's gonna come off. These are dyed, so they might hold up a little better, but I just wouldn't think the wood would be good for in the water. But you could have made it just like this and put beads all the way down. So I love these. I actually wear these, and this I made it too big so it's loose and it hangs around my ankle, but I like it. I like the look. It kind of hangs like that. Really cute. Okay. Next one. These I haven't gotten to yet. Imagine that. Look at these. They're sold as oh, why do I always forget? It'll come to me in a minute. I can't think of the word. They've got the iron-on stuff on the back. Appliques, that's the word. Okay. Look how cute would this be. I plan to do them like this and use one of these, like this light blue elastic, and just put the elastic around. Put your toe string right there. Done. Or you could use the big piece. I was thinking on the big piece, cut off these leaves on the bottom. Have maybe that petal go to the toe strap. Leave this flower like that, and then put the elastic around. Maybe even cut off that flower. Or flip it around and go this way. Take off these. Just have the two big flowers. Maybe even cut this flower and put it up here, where it goes part way up your foot. So I have those. Let me see what I have in here. Oh, this is another, basically the same thing. You could take off whatever chunk you want. Look, we got the black elastic. Put the elastic around. Hopefully we have some black. Yep, we do have the black in the stretchy elastic. Goes around the toe. Black elastic around the ankle. Done. I don't know why I haven't made these yet. They seem like I could whip them out in one night, but life always interferes. China. Came from China. China. Let's get it open. See what we even have in here. Oh, I have two of these. Well, how cute is that? I'd forgotten I'd gotten these. Oh, that's adorable. Wowzer. Maybe with the green elastic going around the ankle. I don't know, some of these might have to get cut off. Well, I guess they'd flop forward like that. You know, you'd have to work with it. If not, you could cut those off. I kind of like them. Kind of looks like a house shoe. Anyway, you could cut off a couple of these leaves if you wanted to put the toe thing, or put the toe thing right behind that leaf. Just stitch it right behind there. Stitch your elastic to this, and maybe to this leaf, and have it go around. Let me see what else. Oh, these are just pink ones, the same as this. Also, here's another option. Fabric fusion. It works good for a lot of things, and I haven't tried it for this. So if anyone tries it and it really works, let me know. You can see I haven't even opened this. It's Aleene's Fabric Fusion. It says it's permanent. Permanent fabric adhesive. So if this worked, oh wow, you could make these quick. I could have them in my shop in no time. A whole bunch. The thing is, I'll probably have them in my shop like Christmas. I'm always way behind the curve. I get Easter stuff out in June or whatever. I'm always behind. So that's it. That's all the things I have. Let me make sure. Oh, I had gotten these. You can get these at the dollar store too. It says it's beading cord, but don't overlook this, because this comes in all the colors. And this is $1 and this is $1. So what's a better deal? This one. I'm always looking for a good deal. What do I have here? Lace. I don't know why that's in there. More elastic. You see, when I get onto something, I've got to get every color they have. I get into it and I buy it all, and then I get sidetracked and I start something else. If anyone here is ADHD, you understand. Hey, I could put this with my beads. That's good. I'm into the bead work right now. That's the thing. I'll get on something and I'm really into it. I'm full-fledged into it, and then I buy all the stuff and then I get bored with it and I move on to something else. Stop, Jeffrey. That's Jeffrey. His sister's here, and she's trying to invade his food bowl. He's laying down the law. Alrighty, guys, so that's it. 2 weeks in a row, I got a video. Yay! Let's throw a party. So, let's see what happens next week. Next week, what was I planning? Oh, the bead garlands. All of these lovely bead garlands. I don't know if you can see. I've been working on garlands. I'm having a real good time with beading. Some really cute ideas. Look at this. For the tiered trays. The little... And these are from the Dollar Tree. It's a nice solid wood for a little sign. Then you put the twine on it and then put the garland on this. Cute, cute, cute. I've got a ton of ideas for those too. So come back next week. Or just hit the bell for notifications. If you subscribe, it'll ding you. That way you don't have to look in case I don't make it. I'm going to try really hard. See you next time. Bye.